Enge ki pa men tunia hi percentage topic in bol ta vin tunia hi percentage topic ani janna ong eding in jan hi chon tam khat na bol do vin na tunia hi problem tham khat de basic problem bol dio basic problem ho hi het ngai hin cho het lo wal le se banga chu langa hi aban ki chi kal thei ji lo na heti hi chu basic lang ho hi ha kho sa wi ong tunin question tham khat na veutin if 40% of 4 by 5 of 3 by 4 of a number is 48 na 40% of 4 by 5 of 3 by 4 of a number is 48 then what is 1% of the same number na ipi sai na ham beu dong number kharam cho je number pa cho 40% zakhala som li chu atina to zakhala som li into 4 by 5 of 3 by 4 of a number is so 48 hi ale then his number pa 1% ya zat de ham na tubang ho hi abol dan hi hiti bol de hom ta le sunga hi one number in the thing alen let sunga hi 100 ala du chong for example sunga hi 40% means 40 by 100 na chong ta hi 40% means 40 by 100 na off in the thing off to into is on maths off in the also into a koi do na of 4 by 5 thing le obana off in gets na 3 by 4 off and number is on off and number to let's say of a number to x taute tang koi is equal to 48 ahead is na khotia le numbers hi holo deu x hi number here numbers hi holo deu is 1% yaram ji holo deu so chi value han sunga hi 0 cancel taut na lai hi se 0 to 0 cancel taute sting le 4 to 4 cancel ke taute adang cancel thim la funga 4 hin langa right hin langa left to right ki cancel thei chong left langa achung pa to right langa achung pa ki cancel thei left langa noi lang ho to right langa noi lang ho ki cancel thei na left langa achung to noi ki cancel thei right langa achung to noi ki cancel thei chong chibang hoin so 4 into divide la le 4 1 is 4 4 2 is 8 chitana abana 3 in divide thei ki la na 3 4 is 12 3 4 is 12 4 mena noi langa pipim ta 10 to 5 line na so x is equal to 4 hu om saya langa noi lang ho hi right langa chi teng le chung langa am ti cha song 10 into 5 to 50 long na 10 into 5 to 50 so 4 5 is 20 x yat tam 200 is the number oh sorry kimtai lo ho na say 200 is the number na aban teng le sunga hi on ya mutam tele x is equal to 200 ni mutave x 200 to hi 1% ni ho na 1% so ita la sunga x pa hi let's say x pa hi 100% la vale as is total ala vale number ti as number chu 100% la vale if the number is 100% la vale only hold on so 1% ni so 1% so ya ram ti so 1% sunga hi betong 0 ni ka le yeng tlo 0 ni ka le 1 equal to 1% is equal to 2 so na si so 1% is equal to 2 tang bo te hi okay so hintin aban sikil utna next question so hi hapon yang la tham dan pa chu he then divide bo lo ha when a number is increased by 20 it becomes 116 of itself what is the number when a number is increased by 20 it becomes 116 of itself so let's say let x be the x hitting bolte number what is the number this number in the thing ala number is total lai lao so number is 100% ai kilaji 100% so number la tau when a number is increased by 20 the number pa hi 20 a increase ala so 20 a increase ala then it becomes 116 so 116% of itself na ale what is the number number is 100% so in terms of number I hold the song see person joy person here some person here joy numbers like p so as numbers I hold the hum 100% so a numbers if yam see hold the song ale sunga hi laya 100% apana hi laya 116 apana dinga hi that increase am 100% to 116% here ya increase on the 16% see increase long na 100 apana 116 to ya increase am in terms of percentage 16% so na in terms of number as a 20 so on 20 I have in terms of percentage I hold audio is it percentage form am so zakara pana 116 pa anding so 116% increase in nice na so sunga hi 16% to episode ki ba sa dio tele sunga hi in number pa to in ki ba sa is as it sunga number ang hi increase so when a number is increased by 20 this na I increase pa so 20 in terms of number, increase in terms of percentage 16%. That's 10 is ki ba sa 20. If 16% is equivalent to 20, then what is 100%? 100% on numbers na number hold on ti so 100% so ya the tam. Sorry. Lang hay do to. Fuck. Number he is at the time so nga number he at the time. Sito bang hunting ale 4 to 4 40 16 titen ka the 4 5 is 20 alanga 4 alanga to chino anoi pang ka the 4 1 is 4 4 25 is 100 dito long na so sunga he 1 to if into bole 5 ang 5 yung 1 into 5 so 5 ile sunga 5 into the 25 into chang multiply the whole of so 25 into 5 to 125 tajang bol the so ita jong bolte ai lo vale chom bet bolte chi chu khat ita bol an chuna ai lo vale tang bolte chu simple ta if 16% to 20 to ki ba ai le 100% chu the tam ai chu 100% chu numbers la na ya tam ta le 20 divided by 16 into 100 ta ko thi so 4 5 is 20 4 4 is 16 4 into 25 to 100 hi ki dai le so 5 into 25 is tam 125 chi long na so 125 is the given number it's tang na simple ta tang bol it's as a number the thing a number to 100% like la ji so assume ki bol ji so next question is le when 85% of the number is added to 75, then the number is the result itself. Find the number. Number na 85% of a number to keep below. So hi number to keep below. 85% of number to 75 to add bola le number mama head. So it 75 to na. Let's see. So hi 85% of a number. So number to let's say if you time 100% like it is 85% of a number is added to 75. 75 he in terms of percent alam lo chang say in terms of numbers is when 85% of a number is added to 75, then the number is the result itself. So the number is the result itself. Sorry, so then the result is the number itself. So the result is the number itself. The number itself. So 100%. And number itself, numbers are 100%. Na 85% of 100, so 75 to 80 ball 100% my head. I want to in terms of numbers I have in terms of percentage I hold it. That bangas na 85% to 100% na ding that vara 15% at ki ball long 85% to 15% to 80 ball 100% na. In terms of percentage, in terms of number 75 to keep low di 75. So what is find the number? Numbers are 100% in sula 100% ya the tam. So ya so nga kasi bang standing cancel so cancel ang nom dos lang na 5 3 is 15 then cancel it 520 is 100 si cancel 3 1 is 3 3 2 is 6 3 5 15 so 1 to 25 ya le 20 ya the tam so 1 into 25 to 25 ya le 20 into 25 ya the tam into bola le 500 lo jong na tang bol ti jong I love a simple ta in tim bowling to zai bol ta pang na simple tan bowling to na thelo ba le sunga hi 15% hai 15% is equivalent to 75% hi aile 75 hi aile. So what is 100%? What is the number? 75 divided by 15 panoi langa hongding into 100 na. So nga percent ki kat ta cho. So 5 in divided 5 5 25 5 5 5 in 15 in 15 5 is 75 is na. Sorry. Mu thei lo diu hai na tha jiu dong lai chun. 75 divided by 15 into 100 na. Kat utong. Iti kat diu ham. 15 5 is 75. So 5 into 100 so 500 long na. 5 into 100 so 500 sibo dong. Aban siu tele. Hello evang aladan pas na. Hita so la thi ngai chong. Okay, chang he velo han. So 20 lo chong. This is not 20, this is question number 2 tonight. 0.08% of 120% of 50,000 is equal to at the time. Chang he island, chang he about and it's all he chi tang a question nang hoita a question even like yang so chi tang sunga him person means anoi lang am ji sula na 20% equal to 20 by 100 kiti ji sula ya chu chang noi lang am 0 ni noi lang am sunga 0 ni to timbol laya 0 ni to lai person kat tau te ong atheva amana helaya 0% to langa 0 ni kat wale bpm tam si hol odu cha. So sunga hi pm ta 0.08 off means into 120 off means into 5 zeros la na equal to chang he decimal point la do ile 100 lo de point jawa ko digit nim la na point la do ile anoi langa 0 nim de chang into 120 into 5 zita sala 0 khato 0 khakadute 5 in divide kila 5 2 is 10 2 6 is 12 so 8 6 is 48 na ji bo ya sunga question na plan na solve ta bol the yeng chang ai la vale iten he ta jang bol the si pa he kati dan sunga he 0.08% who 100 koi tau na of to into tai 120% dang 0 ni into 50,000 chi cho chi jan ham ti so sunga 0 ni to langa 0 ni cancel ta langa 0 ni to langa 0 ni cancel ta akotela sunga hi 0.08 point sunga point hi la do ki divide 8 by points ma ko digit khat nium ya so 0 khat nium ai chang 120 into 5 so 0 0 2 5 is 10 2 6 is 12 5 to 5 cancel ta 8 6 is 14 na yang le igan da diwa sa sunga hi sunga 0 to langa 0 ni kat langa 0 to langa 0 ni ka le 5 into 120 so 600 tai 600 into sunga 0.08 so 8 divided by 100 point la do le 0 ni 8 6 is 48 ta direct a bol te jong so practice bo bol te la cham da wang po to na so ta bang chong. Okay, next question chim tole abana viot na sunga he 65 gram is what percent of 2 kg 2 kg adenga 65 gram hi percent yar ham the 65 gram hi 2 kg adenga percent yar ham na so ito bang iti bol di ham ta le sunga compare ki bol ta na 65 gram is what percent of the compare ki bol so 65 gram to 2 kg so compare tidha is that ham with respect to 2 kg na 65 grams so with respect to 2 kg in terms of percentage ayar tinai so 65 gram what percent of so ting la 2 kg na so noi la ngam so compare ki bol ting la compare ki bol na pa chu noi la ngam so chi bu chu awanga zakhala ayar ham percentage ado ya chu zakhala ayar ham ti ya chu 192 bol so 100% na ala chi velo han sunga 65 gram a unit ki banglo pila chi gram ya chi kg ya so a unit ki ba sa du chong 65 grams k 2 kg so kg khat chu 1000 gram long so 2 into 1000 gram chi gram so ta sula kg khat chu 1000 gram express ki bol ta chong into 100% na or equal to chi atam values so nga 0 ni langa 0 ni kat taute ale 5 chi kat ale 65 to 5 in kat ale atam 5 1 is 5 5 3 is 15 5 2 is 10 2 2 is 4 chung langa pim ta 13 divided by 4 na 13 chung langa 13 ta noi langa pim 2 2 is 4 chi da chong percent na or equal to ta la na 13 by 4% chi chong ya chu thilni chu compare ding ting ale thilni chu compare ding ting ale ratio ki ba ngai chong ratio ki ba la bai thai lo sorry ratio ka ti a unit ke ba la ba thai lo chong so unit hoi chi gram ya chi kg ya so sunga chu chi gram kg pa chu gram a on convertible chong ai la wale so kg chang kg so 65 so kg so denga divided by 1000 na into ball do ya so tamkhat sanga hazap so na ya so nom pa so ke ole chong si haban chu tele A is 25% more than B, then B is how much percent less than A? Chang hi sabang question hi hung ha hung nom chong mi boy mi ha boy na hi sabang question mi os mi tam zo bu sungai ki boy ji na A is 25% more than B, then B is how much percent less than A? Sungai hi ratio ang bol hi chu A hi 25% more than B. So 25% so in terms of fraction na equal to 25% so in terms of fraction na ya ha 1 by 4 long na 25 fraction so ding ai le equal to 25 1 is 25 25 4 is 100 equal to 1 by 49 so 25% so in terms of fraction na 1 by 4 A to B sanga hu 25% atam e that means A to B sanga hu 1 unit atam tinai so sunga hi if A is to B to yon ratio lava sunga 4 hi B a koi vale A is at the time A to B sanga 1 unit atam long so if B more than B so na B so noi lang am pa hi B so comparable ja so na so A at the time A to B sanga 1 unit atam male B so 4 units la A to B sanga 1 unit atam male A so tam 5 units low down then B is how much percent less than A B hi how much percent less than A? A sanga is na homam ti in terms of percentage do chong so nga hi just a base B man ya to hi base A hong ta so nga hi less than A then ba ko nga A hong chong therefore B is less than A by in terms of percentage so nga B hi A sanga 1 unit near long 1 divided by A ko hong dam no less than A ti so A is yaram 5 into 100 na equal to 20%. So, 20%. B is less than A by 20%. Bola sunga hi kebang ham na dan so for example A hin zakhat nei so dan so B hin som nga nei som nga rupees 50 A hin B sanga sum izat taman yam som nga taman nei so isu A zakhat B so som nga sala A hin B sanga som nga tama som nei na ale B hin A sanga izat al homa sum na yam dal som nga al homa nei so na isu ki bang nei so A hin B sanga sum izat atam nem dal 50 atam so B hin A sanga izat homa sum na yam dal som nga ma mal homa so B ai chi yoi ki bang nei so amount ai ki bang ai wanga in terms of percentage song hi tiangala base ki khel ja chu ki bang lo chong songa hi A is 25% more than B B is how much percent less than A 25% less than A the kilometer so wang ai lo chong in terms of percentage song hi tiang le a base ki khel ji chu ya chu vita songa A is 25% more than B so B is less than A by 20% na khat chu 25% tam ai wa khat chu 20% hom so ai chong ai chu si sunga ho to hin ki hi chu sunga ho hi le abs ma cham de lo na amount no nga sei ding a chu kin dang sanga su kin som pha ka ne nang in som ni ne len kin dang sanga su som khada ka thop nei chu nang in ke sanga som pha tam nei chu som khat ki bang ai choi izara tamam izara thomam chu ki bang thei chu eba in terms of percentage hong ni teng ala bes hong ki khial ji chu That's too important. In terms of percentage, some hitting le a base ke hial ji na. To ai bol chu khadai tai. Ai hi ta jong bol thei chu ratio na. Sunga hi A is to B tiute. A is to B ti vai le. A is 25% more than B la. More than B. B to compare so B to 100 ala du chong. B to zakhat na le en zat de en di tam 125 lo do ham na. Si pa hi yon isu neo du ratio ti ba chu the 5 2 is 10 5 5 25 520 520 is 100 chẳng có thể lại là 5 5 is 25 5 4 is 20 tại số neo thì trong so ai lẽ sung ai value han a sung ai hi a is 25% more than b is na sung ai so b su 100 su quay lavam A to compare boram, B to comparable that's base 100 B as loud. To I B is how much percent less than A is on. B he A sanga is an anevam tale, 1 unit nails na. I have a base way allowed him tele base su yeah song is less than what going on A homes na. A to B to A to comparable yasu, base su B su B allowed song. So B is less than A by 1 divided by koyong dam base su A hung de A to 5 long na so zakat la percentage as we hold 520 is 100 20% so B is less than A by 20% it doesn't bother so chi a ball dan khat ai kit tai ai lawa it doesn't bother it net yang wana de na ball tiu dan so 20 sunga A to B sang ai 25% na lin so so 25% terms of fraction na so 1 by 4 so A is more than B by 1 by 4 atam so si plus is more than the plus so B is how much percent less than A at the anti tenga le sunga hi plus 1 by 4 so fraction part in hel du ta chung iti hel du am ta le sunga plus ya chu 1 equal du chung lang pa chu ki helo de noi lang pa ki hel so base ki hel di ti sula na so B to A and compare para chu base on ki hel chung ya so sunga hi achung pa to noi pa 1 plus 4 so ni plus bola le 5 long that is so minus B is less than A by 1 by 5 1 by 5 so in terms of percentage as at equal to 520 is 120% tang tazang voltage na so AB rule even to that's the one khatsu A so slanga ali ale khatsu ya newam ti na so ta bang balance to that technique a ball and thum i ball ya na de ball ta non hoich no ma sa bang na practice ball ven lang non hoich is pa chu nom penam che pa chu naman theu chang no problem ratio ma naman theu I love chi AB rule ang naman theu chang ban chu le what is 35% 35% of 12 kilometers this CGL means how ngai ta na 34% of 12 kilometer 12 to 34% aram 12 kilometers to 100% la wale 34% to 8 kilometer ham ti hold on tin ab simple na 34 divided by 100 into 12 kilometer chi bol like saying chula chi tani into bol ya ta 34 into 2 to 68 34 into ball vale 408 divided by 100 kilometer or equal to point ko vale 4.08 kilometer 34% of 12 kilometer so ham 4.08 kilometer na 4.08 kilometer he 12 kilometer denga 34% na hi tina so ya so convert ball dan ho chu het ngai na ban chu tele what is 55% of 30%? So simple enough. 55% means 100 of 30%. See hold out. Yeah. So chicken vale chicken salkit vale pimutava 511 is 55 52 is 10 or 3 into 11 to 33 by 2% or equal to 21 is 2 2 6 is 12 1 by 2% 16.5% so 55% of 30% so 16.5% na so chang takhat ma mai na 30% 40% 30 by 100 into 40% so yara mi holo so So 0 0 0 0 cancel 3 4 is 12%. Chi na. Choi bo veong basic hoi het ngai ka tin lai ta chu chong it's important na basic hello wala tham dan chu thim lo chong. Abana hi veleon a% of b plus b% of a chatam. Yan he ichi masanga video bol ta chula. X% of y is equal to it is ithiam y% of x. It the akiji the tiu. Then thak the tiu na. Chi is a tiu chang sunga him. Ya sunga hi a% of b plus b% of a at dam. Chi holote. So sunga for formula te da chipahi za tiu chang chipahi. So sunga hi a% of so intun koi tau te ong a% of b plus b% of into a chi holo diu chang. So sunga hi ta ko ji thelong a% of b% of a chu it is ithiam ta le x% of y chu y% of x to ki ba b% of x b% of a chu a% of b ang ji thelong na ta hial the chang ko da sunga hi ta a% of b and a% of b ta ka ma b common la do le sunga hi a% plus a% b of b chu common la chang sunga b te ni common la wa le chi atam equal to a% twice a% of b chi na twice a% of b hoi cham twice a% of twice a% of 2b dilo twice b% of chang dilo chi pai na twice a% of b chi chang la dan chang lo la sunga hi a% of b plus a% of b ke bong long ta ji thei ding lam twice a% of b of twice b ta ji alison dilo ta chang chi pai. Next view to le 5% of a equal to b, then b% of 20 the same as so here 5% of a equal to b given out to 5% of a equal to b and b% of 20 the same as b% of 20 is the same as na city body ham sunga hi b bom na person lawa b bom chong sunga b% ke ale chi hial thela b% of 20 chu 20% of b lo takhat lo chi chipa hi ti ji thiam tai le 20% of b ta ji thelong na x% of y is equal to y% of x na so 20% of b sweram b chu sunga b equal to 5% of a 5% means 100 of a na or equal to chiatam tele 5% of a dinas na je so chiatam the 520 is 5 and 100 so 20 akats na so 20% so 20% of a chungam ya 20 hunoi la ngam na chi so lo 20% of a by 20 20% of a by 2 50% of a by 2 50% of a by 20 20% of a by 20 chi na okay chi hin ban chu tele ya rule is ho masa video one I bought percentage video one rule se ho so is a chong nang chai lo bich. What is 11 1 by 9% of 16 2 by 3% of 4 8 6 civic 11 chang he same ebo na what is 11% what is 11 1 by 9 sorry 11 1 by 9% ji do ale tai of 16 2 by 3% of 486 is aram ti so question so na so 11 1 by 9 so in terms of fraction na ko yun na 11 1 by 9 in terms of fraction na it tam ta le say and he ball that one na 11 1 by 9% so in terms of fraction I ball ko 11 into 9 99 plus 100 divided by 9 so nga percent symbol pa hi 1 upon 100 hilong na then ika aliat ta 1 by 9 so si pa hi 11 1 by 9 so in terms of fraction na so yar ham tale 1 by 9 so percent pa so fraction na convertible so a khut no man nga na into 16 2 by 3 ang so 16 2 by 3% so in terms of fraction na convertible din ale 16 into 3 yar ham 48 40 plus 2 50 by 3 so nga percent si pa hi 1 upon 100 ako ikibale 52 is 100 32 is 6 1 by 6 na so 16 2 by 3% so 1 by 6 yeah so hit by heart din ko na highlight that na so si hit vale 11 1 by 9% so in terms of fraction 1 by 9 ta head ngai 16 2 by 3% so in terms of fraction so 1 by 6 hi kutale nom long si cut the 9 5 is 45 9 5 is 45 9 4 is 36 6 8 9 6 is 54 yata only 9 we get 9 na 9 6 is 54 answer to 9 it's yeah so conversion of percentage into fraction or fraction to percentage important it's so so hen ngai so to bang ho hi na bai hat de ko te wale question exam ma hita hong de ya so chi ne lo vale na boiling nge percentage ang so koi thina so chi convert percentage form ang so khot thina se wang so phat la na ya so chi 11 1 by 9% so chi 1 by 9 hi 16 2 by 3% so in terms of fraction na 1 by 6 hi si 4 is 6 ya le so ngai 6 8 is 40 6 1 is 6 9 9 is 81 tang time ya da save time na time so it is save ya so hi hen ngai chong a value ho chu na so practice na ball deal then I so as percentage topic he khade details ta to a concept coaching center in file kiti YouTube channel ra ko sunga ho percentage topic ki same hin video lecture ho hin as a concept coaching center in file YouTube ma type this na sa video matta sunga sa percentage sa hoi ta explain ki bo chong so hi ya so to a class bol pa he sang pia chom lama important ten thamhat ki bol he wanga ne physical wal ne no be ai le chun YouTube concept coaching center so subscribe bol du chun na YouTube hun lu du sunga chun percentage topic hoi ta bula pan da tam ta me chong so khu chang hun ba theu na ban cheu tele what if a number is increased by 25% then it becomes 60 what is the original number na a number is decreased by 25% then it becomes 60 so so let's say let 100% be the number chi number ni tenga 100% la so chi number tan chi pa here increase chi to hi increase by 25% to hi percentage form up is na 100 to 25% na kalbel le ya ta 125% loading in terms of percentage as na 125% ng hindi sila 100% plus 25% means 125%. Aba so nga question then it becomes 60 head so nga result pa so 60 head so 60 head so what is the original number is 100 long na si whole body so si 125% ito na 100 to si go by le 125 tayo si 1 result pa so question na 60 head so ko tell 100 what is the original number is 100% 125% so equivalent to 60 ale 100% na yan tam so 25 5 is 125 25 4 is 100 5 and c divide c if you multiplier if you 5 into 12 to 60 long so now so 12 into 12 into 4 jaram 48 this is the original number na number to 48 but see but so 48 we are increase at 25% increase so 25% na increase by 25% 48 so 25% increase ale result to 68 so di na vev de kati 25 4 is 100 4 1 is 4 4 2 is 8 that means 48 plus 12 equals that so any plus bole 0 6 di na 60 so ban chiu tele two numbers are less than third number by 30% and 37% respectively. Then by how much is second number less than the first number? Nah. Chẳng hi vele han two numbers are less than third number. Number ho hi then given A, B, C tiu tiu. Number A first numbers, B second number, C is third number. So two numbers are less than a third number by A he C sang a 30% home, B he C sang a 37% home. So then by how much percent is the second number less than the first number? Second number the first number sang a is at home so ito bang case ho hi on tila de home to the C to A to B to C to comparable so ya C to B sa la do so 100 ala do 100% na ale A to C sang a is an home tia A to A the first two numbers are less than a third number by 30% and 37 respectively. So respectively means first number must be about second number only. So first number is less than the third number by 30%. A that it A to C sang a 30% homale, C to 100 yali, A to 70 load na B to C sang a 37% al homale, C to 100 yali, B at the time 63 load on 63 plus 37 so 100 so question is B he A sanga is that al homam B he A sanga how much is the second number less than the first number so B he first number sanga is that al homam tale first number 70 second number 63 7 units al hom long therefore B he less than first number by 7 units. That's no ya ko hung dam B to ko to compare bolam A to compare bol ya chu A hi noi lang ang ta chong 70 ala za khala ya de ta so na ko ta le 7 0 cancel out 7 to 7 cancel out equal to that 10% long so the second number is less than the first number by 10% see na ya chu ratio thamdan pa chu het ngai na aban chu te so he basic here basic hoy ta het ngai na chang which number is 40% less than 90% of 100 which number is 40% less than number to 100% ala wale 40% less than so yat tam sanga 40% home to 60% ing long na 60% of 90% of 100 zibus on question so isu yat ham tinabut so sahib ala 60 by 100 simple tang bol ten dividend simple tan tin bolute person also 1 by person c symbols ya ham 1 upon 100 so na ya so 100 so noi lang am ji so zakhat to langa zakhat cancel taute 0 khat chung langa 0 ni to noi langa 0 ni cancel kita 96 is 54 so this is the answer na ai la vale tang bol thai so ta bang ho he sorry so which number is 40% less than so number so let's say 100% yale 40% less we are 60% na 60% into 90% into 100 tale sunga him langa 0 to langa 0 cancel taute langa 0 kha to langa percent cancel taute 96 is 54 tang direct nga bol thim song as a practice ha bola le choki na practice ha bol ta wa henge se percentage video ni sim na chu isan chu tan lang kasi banga chu practice na ha bol dio pen notebook to pen chu important to jang hin na koi me thin na koi lo bai the na mo wat me the na lu na chunga na wat me the ya kan lo de chang pen to notebook to question kipi hoy na kisi to dio calculate practice na bol dio post na positive video post na positive na kisi do video itiong ham na video sus nang nang notes na kisim chai practice na bol di chang so a bol na ni online course ko tilo wale lo na chungai wa lesson ka na to hi bata ki pamen na banting le percentage ma mai bol ki dio percentage topic I bol ki dio abana chi ki dio na tu na dingin chen chai tau ta